Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Mr.kalimba here. Today I'm gonna change my kalimba keys. To be honest, this is my first try. It's been 8 days only to playing kalimba in my life. I have no idea how to change. But what makes me decide to change kalimba key now? Because I have my second kalimba, K17M from Yubbax, and the sounds is not quite satisfying to me. Yeah, I know that's a cheap kalimba, not like a Hugh Tracy's one. But still, I want to find out how different the sound if I'm gonna change the keys. This is 0.90mm thickness of the original key. And this is the 0.93mm thickness of new key. Only 0.03mm thicker, and very slightly different. Let's see how this small thickness would change the sound differently or not. I have no proper tools for kalimba, so I just grabbed common hardware tool. As you can see that I'm using long nose plier. Probably kalimba artisan, has some special tools for key settings, I guess. But I'm not an artisan, so Alright, let's test the sound. I found very interesting things on the waveforms. The blue track is before key change, and red track is after the key change. For bass sound, C4 in this case, both of them has same length, almost have the same length. However, in the higher note, thicker key has much more sustaining sounds. That was pretty interesting. As you can hear it, thicker key has much longer sustain. So I think secret keys sound better in my opinion, and I like the changed one. So far so good. So whoever interested with change keys, I'd recommend to go for it. It is definitely worth to try, and even though there is no changes of sound, but still it is worth to get a experience of change keys. So that is it for today, and have a lovely day. Peace.